Would you like to learn 11 new common ASL signs? Keep watching. The first ASL sign we'll do is the sign Commute. Now, I am right-handed, so my dominant hand is the right hand. So to sign Commute, simply take your dominant hand, place that out in front of the body, form the letter A, but place it on the side with the thumb sticking upwards. From here, bring it closer to your body, and you'll go back and forth a few times, just like this. Or you can go from the side, just like this, showing a commute. Either way is fine. That is how I sign Commute. The next sign is congratulations. To sign congratulations, you're going to actually pretend as if you're shaking someone's hand. So you'll bring both hands in front of the body, clasp them together, and then pretend as though you're congratulating someone. That is how you sign congratulations. The sign electric. To sign electric, simply take both hands, extend out the index fingers, now flex them just like this, turn them on the sides, and then bring them together twice. Just like that, tapping the knuckles twice. That is how you sign electric. The sign in general, or broad. To sign is simply take both hands, keep the fingers together, now touch the tips just like this. And from here, you will bring them apart, separating them just like this. That is how you sign in general, or broad. The sign ability, skilled, or expert. To sign is simply take your non-dominant hand, bring that out in front of the body with the palm facing inwards. Now with your dominant hand, grab a hold of the non-dominant hand just like this, and from here you will go forward, just like this. Let me see if I can show you that from the side. That is how you sign ability, skill, or expertise. Now there's another sign similar along those lines, and that is to be very good at or to be very skilled. Now to sign is simply take your dominant hand, form the letter F. Now with this, keep the thumb and the index finger, the tips touching just like this, and from here you're going to bring it to the chin. And then the facial expression is real important. You're going to show on your face that this person is very skilled, like. That is how I sign to be very good at or to be very skilled. The sign include. Now to sign include, simply take your non-dominant hand, form the letter C, place it out in front of the body on its side. Now with your dominant hand, fingers are extended, separated apart, and from here you're going to pretend you're like as if you're grabbing a lot of things and you're placing them inside the C hand, just like this. Now you'll also see this. Some people will place the C up against the chest and pretend as though they're grabbing a lot of things with their dominant hand and placing them inside, just like this, from the side and the front. Or either way is fine. The sign memorize, from the side. To sign memorize, simply take your dominant hand, and from here what I do is I take my index finger and I will put that right up against the forehead, just like this. And then from here, I will go away from the forehead, and then I will make a fist as if I'm grabbing hold of a thought from the side. That is how I sign memorize. The sign selfish or greedy, from the side. Now to sign is simply take both hands, extend them out in front of the body with the palms facing downward. Now with your middle finger and your index finger on both hands, you actually bring them closer to the body, but as they're coming closer to the body, they flex just like this, from the side. Now sometimes you'll see out there the three hand, just like this. Either way is fine. That is how I sign greedy or selfish. The sign swallow. To sign is simply take your dominant hand, extend out the index finger, now bring that up underneath the chin, and then from here you're going to go downwards as if you're swallowing. from the side, from the front again. That is how you sign swallow. The sign trick or fooled. The sign is simply take your non-dominant hand, bring it out in front of the body, the palm is facing away. Then you will extend out the index finger. Now from here, take your dominant hand, form the letter A or an S, and then from here, you're going to strike against the back of the index finger of the non-dominant hand, just like this. From the side, front again. That is how you sign tricked or fooled. Now, I've demonstrated 11 new common ASL signs. If you've learned anything from this video, please do me the honor of hitting the like button. Next, hit the subscribe button. And last but not least, hit that notification button and stay tuned for my next ASL video.